Dhamakedar. We will be joining on video call the King Khan of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, along with the charming Anushka Sharma. Directed by Imtiaz Ali, it's gonna be one bomb of a movie. August 4th, 2017. And without any further ado, let me welcome on stage Sejal, aka Anushka Sharma.
Okay, so I hope everybody here is comfortable and relaxed. How are you, Kimcho? Jai Shri Krishna to you too. And Karisma Ben, how are you? All good? JSK to you too. आपने कुछ लिया? कुछ टी, कॉफी, कोल्ड ड्रिंक? अरे प्रमोद भाई, अरे उनको कोल्ड ड्रिंक दो ने. Look how hot she is looking. कहाँ गया प्रमोद भाई? Oh प्रमोद भाई, कोल्ड ड्रिंक दो उनको. Look how hot she is looking. Looking hot? You got my joke? Hot? Nice, nice. Okay, everybody. So now that you all are here, I'm very happy. I hope you all have been treated nicely. You're feeling relaxed and comfortable. I think my arrangements were very good and tip top. किसी को यहाँ पे आने में problem तो नहीं हुई ना? Like address ठीक ठाक दे दिया ना मैंने? क्या होता है ना? मेरा जो arrangement होता है, it's always tip top. I never fault. अरे उनको कोई माइक दो ने. He wants to praise me. क्या हो भाई साहब? माइक सामने पकड़ो.
आधे घंटे से यार हम गाड़ी की वेट कर रहे हैं. आपने यार कोई क्या अरेंजमेंट आपका टिप टॉप? आपको ध्यान देना चाहिए ना. मेरे को 2 एंगेजमेंट में और जाना है. सिर्फ एक ही काम थोड़ी है मेरे को.
को पैसे मिलते हैं क्या एंगेजमेंट में जाने के लिए? हाँ. But what is this? Your complaint? This is not good. I mean, my arrangements are always good. But let me tell you all that I was not responsible for this. This one little thing I told Imtiaz Bhai to take care of. Seems like he has not managed. So Imtiaz Bhai, where are you? If you could please come here and address this, making me look bad over here. Yeah, all girls are all big fans of you. But I'm not a huge fan of you right now. One small direction I gave you, you could not follow.
What is the problem? You're looking so hot.
Yeah, but...
I must say.
Thanks. But what is this? Why is this man complaining over here?
He's complaining?
Yes.
About what?
Seems like you've not taken care of this valley parking and all of that.
So how can I take care of parking? I was busy editing, ne?
Editing?
Yeah.
Oh. You also work for paper like them?
What do you mean?
You said no, editing. A lot of them are also editors
I'm
over
not
here
a
of paper.
press editor. I'm not a press. I was editing the film.
Oh, our film.
Yes.
Jab Harry met Sejal.
Exactly.
Oh, acha. So tell me one thing. Why didn't you edit your other films?
What do you mean?
I mean, they were a little long, ne? Like, so right now I would say you stop making all these excuses and please answer this question. One small thing I told you to do.
Arey, Sejal, when everything is okay, please don't panic.
And how not to panic? There's so much that I have to do, so many tayaris that I need to take care of. And what have you worn and come? What is this outfit? I told you to wear a proper suit, ne?
So, this is a suit, ne?
But what is this combination? Who wears this combination? Looking like a schoolboy.
Do you think you have to talk about my schoolboyishness right now? The press is waiting. Press is waiting.
Oh.
Please carry on with your
guys.
engagement.
Sorry, and I also know that if you make the press wait, sometimes they write bad things about your films. So, you guys must not wait.
Yeah.
And, okay, everyone. So, without further ado, let me tell you all why you all are here. For many days now, we've been seeing this ring, and this chakkar has been going on. I want to put it to an end today. So, in front of all of you all, Alok Bhai, Karisma Ben, we are going to do my engagement function, okay? I am going to wear my ring, which has been given to me by my lovely fiancé, and I'm going to take a nice photo. Where will we take it? Should we take it there, Imtiaz Bhai?
Yeah,
we'll take it there. I'll take a nice selfie over there, and I'm going to do FaceTime chat with him. How does that sound to everybody? You are not looking very excited about my engagement, guys. Thank you. Okay, so ring do ne.
Ring मेरे पास नहीं है सेजल. I gave it to you.
अरे but I gave to you. Check in your pocket.
You check in your pockets. I gave the ring to you,
I'm
Sejal.
fashionably dressed. I don't have pockets.
Arey, so what can I do? I gave the ring to you.
But I don't have it.
Arey, but when you were leaving for Europe, I gave you the ring, no?
So what are you saying that I don't have my ring right now? Matlab I've lost it again.
Arey, my God, yeah, you've called people for your engagement. You've lost the ring again.
I don't want to cut a sorry for this. Guys, this is very embarrassing. Sorry everybody, but we will just sort it out.
Acha, listen. Remember when you went to Europe, you had a tour guide. You said he was very bharose wala admi and all that.
He's good at his job.
Yeah. So then why don't you call him and ask him? Maybe he knows where the ring is.
No.
Why?
अरे you know ने.
Why? What?
अरे उसका कैरेक्टर खराब है ने.
कैरेक्टर खराब है उसका?
अरे मतलब वो cheap है ने, cheap.
Cheap है? Oh. But then abhi what to do now? You have to only take his help ne.
That is true. So what do we do?
You call him.
Should we call him?
Yeah, let me call him.
Okay, chalo, you call him then.
I'm calling him, huh? You
Okay,
better
call
not fight with him this time.
No, I will not fight with him. Obviously, I
Yeah,
need
we
my
want the ring for the engagement.
Yeah, okay.
Okay? I'm calling him.
Okay, call him.
Okay, someone call him.
It's part of my arrangements. I don't know why I'm shocked. Oh! Why is Harry's ring like dawn?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Is it this Sejal again?
Hi,
No.
Harry.
Not Harry. It's Harry.
हाँ तो वही तो बोला मैंने, Harry.
Yeah, no, Harry.
अरे बोला नहीं उसको, Harry तो बोला
You
मैंने.
ask him about the ring.
Oh, sorry. Harry, listen. I need your help now. I've lost my engagement ring.
I am really sorry. I can't help you with this engagement ring of yours. I'm on my time off. अभी मेरा टाइम ने तो मैं आपका हेल्प नहीं कर सकता हूँ प्लीज.
How he's saying? Of course you have to help me. You've only taken us to all these European places. Now that's where I lost my ring. So please help me, Harry.
मैं क्या हेल्प करूँ? By the way, engagement हो रही है आपकी. It's very good news ने. So all the best ne, but I cannot help you. I'm sorry. I have to do my thing. Bye.
You beg him. Just somehow get the ring.
Arey, Harry, listen. Normally I will not ask you for this, but then you do happen to be the best tour guide there, and you have taken us all around it. So please help us. I mean, help me. Give me the ring.
Acha. Let me think something.
Yeah,
yes.
think about all the places you went to with me.
याद है हर जगह जहाँ हम जा रहे थे तो आपकी फैमिली जो थी वीडियो बना रही थी इस सब का.
Yes, we had to put on Facebook.
on Facebook, yeah. So maybe अगर आपके पास वो वीडियो हो वो आप प्ले करें तो उसमें शायद आपको मालूम पड़ जाए आपकी रिंग कहाँ है. Maybe.
That's a very good idea. Harry, first time you've come up with one good idea, eh? Good job.
And
well done.
Harry, ma'am. Harry, not Harry. Harry is the guy standing next to you with long hair.
This one's doing really good today. Great joke also he cracked.
Very good. Very jokey nature.
Okay, chalo. Then show the video to me of my family. हाँ, चलो दिखाओ.
मेरे पास आपका वीडियो फैमिली का कैसे होगा? आपका फैमिली का वीडियो तो आपके पास होगा ना, मेरे पास थोड़ा होगा यहाँ पे.
हाँ, that is a good point. Okay.
So show है.
हाँ तो you show ने one thing तो you already messed up. Now can you do this one thing properly?
So this is what I was editing, ne? That's what I was telling you.
Oh.
Should I go ahead?
पहले बोलना चाहिए था ना आते साथ. You also.
Dear friends of the media, please ask question related to the movie.
So you can ask Harry the questions. He'll be responding from LA. Behind us, and there is Sejal Ben and there is me. Come.
Hi Anushka, hi Yas, and hi everyone.
सवाल ये है कि मिनी ट्रेल्स के बाद इतना ताबड़तोड़ ट्रेलर आपको वहां से कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे थोड़ा रुक के आ रहा है यार, एक बीट. लेकिन मुझे ट्रेलर से भी ज्यादा आप लोग बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो वहां पे जो आए हुए हो सेजल के एंगेजमेंट पे, और मिठाई खाकर जरूर जाना. आई थिंक द आइडिया वाज कि जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था कि चाहते थे कि हैरी और सेजल को हम पहले इंट्रोड्यूस करें और फिर उसकी जो कहानी है उसके बारे में बताएं. तो अब इतने दिनों से लोग कह रहे हैं ट्रेलर है, चलो ट्रेलर भी आ गया, पिक्चर देखने आ जाना सब.
इम्तियाज सर, आपसे भी सवाल है कि मिनी ट्रेल्स आए, छोटे छोटे विजुअल्स आए, कितना मुश्किल था ये ट्रेलर काटना, क्योंकि सभी को इंतजार था कि अब क्या डिफरेंट देने वाले हैं इम्तियाज?
मुश्किल तो नहीं था, बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी इसके अंदर कहने के लिए, मगर ये डिसीजन कि हम पहले मिनी ट्रेल्स दिखाएंगे, ये एक्चुअली शाहरुख सर का डिसीजन था, जो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही अच्छा था। और फिर बाद में जब थोड़ी जिज्ञासा हुई, जब लोगों को थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट आया, तो फिर हम पूरा ट्रेलर हमने लाया है। तो मुश्किल नहीं था, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोसेस था।
अनुष्का,
Hi.
am I looking handsome?
Too good.
Okay, thank you. तो सुबह सुबह है तो मैं अभी नहा के आया हूँ।
हाँ, of course. हाँ, जरूर.
You're looking freshly bathed.
You're looking like आप definitely नहा के आए हो.
Thank you.
हेलो, हाँ, तो मेरा सवाल ये सर, ये मिनी ट्रेल फिर ट्रेलर, ये क्या नया कुछ सीन सेट हो रहा है? मतलब सीन सेट हो रहा है प्रमोशन का, मिनी ट्रेल्स फिर ट्रेलर?
मुझसे पूछ रहा है, इम्तियाज से पूछ रहा है?
सर आप दोनों से पूछ रहा हूँ।
आप
तो मैं जवाब देता हूँ।
हाँ सर।
हाँ तो यार क्या है, पहले हमारे जो कैरेक्टर्स थे हैरी और सेजल, हाँ दीपक, हम उनको दिखाना चाहते थे, मोर देन एक्सप्लेनिंग द स्टोरी। और ट्रेलर जो होता है अमूमन कहानी के बारे में भी होता है सिवाय कैरेक्टर के। तो वो हम चाह रहे थे कि बाद में आए, क्योंकि हमारी फिल्म में दो चीजें बहुत अच्छी हैं। एक तो जो कैरेक्टर है हैरी और सेजल का, जो इम्तियाज ने लिखा, तो उसकी इंट्रोडक्शन जरूरी थी, लाजमी थी, ताकि लोग पिक्चर देखने आए उनको लगे हैरी और सेजल को जानते हैं। और इसके अलावा हमारा म्यूजिक जो है बहुत जो प्रीतम दा ने दिया है इरशाद खान साहब के साथ, सो वो हम चाह रहे थे कि उससे ज्यादा लोग पहले परिचित हो जाएं। और जो कहानी है लव स्टोरी है, सो अमूमन लव स्टोरी में जैसा होता है उसके लिए कोई नया रूप देना उसको, हालांकि कहानी में अपनी एक न्यूनेस जरूर, तो वी वांटेड टू ब्रिंग इट इन डिफरेंट पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम, कि 10-12 दिन पहले ही पिक्चर की रिलीज पे हम खेले।
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा था ट्रेलर का, लेश हो गया।
मुझे बुरा तो नहीं लग रहा?
नहीं, मुझे बहुत मजा आया, मैं भी चीप हो गया हूँ आजकल। चीप
हाँ, तू चीप ही रहेगा। हाँ, तू लगता ही है तू।
आजकल is questionable maybe.
So Anushka, how was your overall? Did you enjoy playing a Gujarati character in the film? So tell us something about that, too, please.
Yeah, I did. I mean, I think if you're working with a director like Imtiaz on a character that you've not attempted before, or a accent, or just basically however Sejal is, if you haven't done something like that before, then it gets very exciting and you feel actually kind of thrilled and confident कि ये मतलब if you follow his directions properly, then it will come out good, because he has a lot of conviction as a director about his characters. And then my level of comfort that I share with Shah Rukh as a co-actor is something that gives me a lot of I guess that sense of calm, to be able to attempt something like this, because I was a little skeptical in the beginning. Like I used to keep telling him also, but I mean, if I'll be able to pull it off or not. Yeah, but then I'm happy that people are liking it, and they're liking Sejal, and it's credit goes to Imtiaz Ali.
इम्तियाज सर, शाहरुख सर ने आपको आज की तारीख का यश चोपड़ा कहा है। आपका जो रोमांस होता है, वो रोमांस किन चीज़ों की खोज होती है एक्चुअली, या आप क्या ढूंढ रहे होते हैं, या क्या कुछ कहना चाह रहे होते हैं अपने कैरेक्टर्स के जरिए?
कुछ तो है जो मिला नहीं, जिसकी तलाश रहती है, वो क्या है ये नहीं पता होता। ये फिल्म के डायलॉग्स हैं जो आप इस फिल्म में देखेंगे।
I was like, wow, he's being so deep with his answers suddenly.
So, but it's the truth also. आपको एक्चुअली दरअसल पूरी तरह से नहीं पता होता, और कभी इंटेंशन ये नहीं होता है कि आप रोमांस की फिल्म बनाएं। जो कहानी आपके दिल में आती है आप वही कहानी बनाते हो। तो ये कहानी थी और वो आ गई है।
ये कहानी कैसे आई थी जहन में? मतलब क्या कुछ कौंधा था?
एक्चुअली मैं सच ही बता देता हूँ सर।
प्लीज।
तो एक बार मेरी माँ मुझसे कह रही थी कि ऐसी फिल्म बनाओ जिसमें जगह जगह अलग अलग अच्छी जगहों पे जा कर के शूट करना पड़े तुमको, और तुमको विजिट करने के लिए मैं भी आऊँ और वो सारी जगह देख लूँ एक ही फिल्म में। तो मैंने बोला ये तो बहुत सिंपल है, टूर गाइड पे फिल्म बना देता हूँ। तो उन्होंने कहा ये क्या कहानी हुई कि टूर गाइड है, और भी तो कुछ होना चाहिए। मैंने बोला नहीं लड़की होगी, फिर ये सब। तो ये ऐसे स्टार्ट हुई थी। फिर बहुत दिन के बाद मैं शाहरुख सर से मिलता रहता था बीच बीच में, तो उन्होंने कहा कि कोई कहानी है तुम्हारे पास? तो मैंने एक कहानी सुनाई। फिर उन्होंने कहा अच्छा कोई और है? तो मैंने बोला एक बहुत ही चीप कहानी है वो आप सुनना पसंद करोगे? तो उनका इंटरेस्ट जाग गया। उन्होंने कहा हाँ ये सुनाओ। ऐसे कोई कहानी नहीं है, ऐसी वाली है, बहुत सिंपल है, ऐसे वैसे करके। वो एक्चुअली मैंने ज़्यादा पूरी सोची भी नहीं थी, मैंने उनको सुना दी। तो उन्होंने बोला ये तो ठीक है, ये बनाते हैं। सो दैट्स हाउ इट केम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस।
आप खुद
एक्चुअली मैंने इम्तियाज को बोला कि अब तुम माँ के आशीर्वाद वाली फिल्म ही बनाओ, दूसरी तो चल नहीं रही भाई हमारी, ये वाली माँ के आशीर्वाद वाली है।
इम्तियाज सर, आप खुद झारखंड से हैं और ये दोनों कैरेक्टर गुजरात से हैं, लेकिन आपकी फिल्मों में
Only Sejal is from Gujarat, here is from Punjab.
पंजाब। तो आपकी फिल्मों में जो हम लोग देखते रहे पैटर्न कि किसी न किसी तरीके से पंजाब आ जाता है या उनके गांव आते हैं। झारखंड के या बिहार के गांव क्यों नहीं आते हैं आपके मतलब कहानियों में?
देखिए ये भाई भतीजावाद में नहीं करना चाहता हूँ तो जहाँ भी इंटरेस्ट होता है, जहाँ कहानी जहाँ ले जाती है आप वहाँ जाते हो, जहाँ के कैरेक्टर्स हो जाते हैं वो आपको बाद में पता चलता है कि ये वहाँ के हो गए। मुझे खुद नहीं पता कि इतने, जैसे हरिंदर सिंह नेहरा का रोल कर रहे हैं शाहरुख खान इस फिल्म में, और वो भी पंजाब का कैरेक्टर है। अब वो क्यों हो जाता है पंजाब का ये मुझे नहीं पता, वो गीत विलन क्यों हो गई पंजाब की ये मुझे नहीं पता, मगर गुजरात की हैं सेजल बहन, बॉम्बे की जो गुजराती कम्युनिटी है उसकी हैं, और ऐसे लोगों से मेरी बहुत दोस्ती रही है, बहुत हम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं उनको, बहुत फैसिनेटेड भी हैं। सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा, मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि देयर इज़ अ गुजराती कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम बॉम्बे इन दिस फिल्म।
अनुष्का, इसमें जो लाइनर है कि जिसकी खोज में आप हैं वो भी आपकी तलाश करता है, इससे कितना इत्तेफाक रखती हैं असल ज़िंदगी में?
मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा। जब मैं अभी थोड़ी मैं फिलोसॉफिकल हो जाऊंगी, लेकिन जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैंने एक जगह पे पढ़ा था दैट व्हेन द स्टूडेंट इज़ रेडी द टीचर अपीयर्स, यू नो। सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दैट। और ये रूमी की क्या बनी कहावत, क्या कहेंगे, कहावत है। एंड आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ रूमी, हैव ऑलवेज बिन, एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू दैट द वे आई वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू हिम वाज एक्चुअली थ्रू योर फिल्म्स। That I started reading up on him क्योंकि मेरे को जिज्ञासा है फिलोसफी में, and I totally believe in that. I feel जो इनफैक्ट आप जो सोचते हैं, जो आप चाहते हैं, वही आपको मिलता है, वही रिफ्लेक्ट करता है। होता है ना कभी कभी जो मूड खराब होता है, ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा इरिटेट करने लग जाता है, लोग ज़्यादा इरिटेटिंग लगने लग जाते हैं क्योंकि आप अंदर से कुड़े हुए रहते हो। तो कुड़े हुए, सच अ ग्रेट वर्ड ना। So I totally believe in this, and I think this is a beauty of Imtiaz's films. You know, they have that एक। आज
ये बहुत तारीफ कर रही है मेरी।
नहीं सर, आपको मतलब
मैं तो पैसे वैसे नहीं देने वाला हूँ।
दोगे?
नहीं दूंगा।
As long as Shahrukh gives, it's fine. As the producer of this film. But yeah, so I do believe that इनकी कहानियों में जो है कि ये होती है कि फिलोसफी होती है जिसके ऊपर एक पूरी कहानी बनी होती है। लाइफ भी वैसी होती है, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई यू कनेक्ट टू इट so much more, and that's why I've been such an ardent fan of his movies.
Shahrukh sir, what do you have to say about this new philosophical side of Anushka Sharma?
सर ये इतनी डीप है मुझे पता नहीं था सर। मुझे तो लगा आती हैं अपनी लाइनें लर्न करती हैं, बोलती हैं, काम चलाओ सी एक्ट्रेस है। लेकिन अब क्या है, इतनी इन डेप्थ बातें करने लगी हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ असर आपका हुआ होगा सर, या मेरा हुआ होगा। आई एम नोटिसिंग
I'm not seeing that in front of me. When both of you are standing over there, I can't be deep because I'm feeling very shallow, so I'm not being deep. Alok is very deep. Like he's a deep philosophical person, so it's coming out talking to him. By the way, I must tell you all this. Man has convinced me that he's Mohit Chauhan for a very long time, and he's spoken to me for 2 minutes, posing to me because I thought he's Mohit Chauhan. So I have started talking to him as like, you know, rock star का music मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा और आपने कितना अच्छा गाया और and he's also listening to me for 2 minutes. बाद में बोलता है मैं मोहित चौहान नहीं हूँ। ऐसे तो पहले क्यों नहीं बोला यार? आपका फिल्म का कनेक्शन वापस।
यही फिलोसॉफिकल बात है अनुष्का की। देखो आरजे आलोक को मोहित चौहान बना दिया। ऐसी हरकतों से ही, बट आई नोटिस अनुष्का, तुम जब से मेरे से बार बार फिल्म में कर रही हो ना, तुम डीपर पर्सन और मोर इंटेलिजेंट और स्मार्ट होती जा रही हो.
For sure.
Okay, Anushka, here on your left. So, Shah Rukh sir has said that there have been scripts which Imtiaz Ali went to him, not offered him, but then he read his scripts to him. And he chose this because this is his happiest film till date. Has there ever been an offer from Imtiaz which you didn't do because it wasn't as happy? And why did you choose to do Jab Harry Met Sejal?
मैंने कुछ
सब मालूम है.
Ambush.
सब मालूम है.
What kind of an ambush is this, boys? ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ है. That has never happened. The first film he offered me, I said yes to it, which was Jab Harry Met Sejal.
Okay,
Imtiaz sir,
Why are they saying you're lying? What is this? You are philosophical and a liar.
but what is it about Jab Harry Met Sejal which drew you instantly to the script?
Yeah, I mean, it really has to be something that you can connect with. Na? I mean, I have wanted to work with Imtiaz for the longest time. In fact, I mean, if at all I ever had the thought that maybe acting karna chahiye, was in a rickety old theatre in Bikaner where I was watching Jab We Met with my parents. जहाँ पे वो जैसे बीच में aisles है ना, वहाँ पे वो चेयर लगा दिया करते थे प्लास्टिक की जब ज़्यादा लोग बढ़ जाते थे. And used to sit over there and watch the film. So I was watching Jab We Met there, and I saw this film, and I was like, "Wow, this is amazing! This is something that."
No, not yet.
Huh? What is that? Suddenly saw myself. This is something that I would like
Not
to.
yet.
Who's this saying not yet, not yet? Oh, that I would like to. I would like to be part of movies when I saw the character of Geet. So I think maybe it was because of the portrayal of that character and the depth that that you could see. ये कौन है इंसान बीच बीच में जो बोल रहा है? Is this my inner voice? That's like suddenly loud and coming out since my philosophical side has come out today on this.
We are doing promotions of बीच में.
बीच में कोई बात कर रहा है.
बीच में बात कर रहा है.
Yeah, so I think it is something that I've always wanted to do with Imtiaz, a film that I've always wanted to do with him. But this just seemed like the film with which I would really enjoy, have a great time collaborating with him. And so this is the one. And in any case, since I'm so philosophical, जो होना होता है सो होता है. जिसको जो पिक्चर करनी होती है वो उसकी तकदीर में होती है. और ये पिक्चर मेरी तकदीर में थी तो मैंने करी. और हमारा इस पिक्चर में साथ काम करना निश्चय था तो हुआ है. बस सब ऊपर वाले की कृपा है. वो ही है, उसके हाथों में हम सबकी डोर है. हम तो बस चल रहे हैं जहाँ वो हमको लेके जा रहा है. हम तो सब कठपुतलियाँ हैं, बस उसकी लीला की.
आपसे मेरा सवाल है कि आपकी फिल्मों में सफ़र भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रहा.
इंग्लिश वाला या हिंदी वाला?
नहीं, हिंदी वाला. तो इसकी कोई खास वजह है? और फिल्मों, जैसा आपने कहा कि आप फिल्मों को लेकर के कंफ्यूज रहते, मतलब कहानियों को लेकर कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, तो उसका अंत कैसे तय करते हैं फिर?
नहीं, होपफुली कहानियों को लेकर कंफ्यूज नहीं रहता हूँ. मगर हाँ, सफ़र बहुत होता है मेरी फिल्मों में. वो इसलिए क्योंकि बचपन से जब मैं सफ़र कर रहा होता था तो बहुत सारी कहानियाँ आती थीं, और सफ़र के वक्त पे आई हुई कहानी में ख़ुद भी सफ़र होता है. सो एक विशियस साइकिल जिसको कहते हैं ना, वो हो जाता है. तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे पर्सनली सफ़र करना भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है हिंदी में. तो वो मैं जब करता हूँ तो और कहानी आती है, तो ऐसे चलता रहता है.
अनुष्का, आपसे सवाल है कि जब पहली बार आप शाहरुख से मिली थी, तो फर्स्ट आपका जब मतलब अनुष्का मेट शाहरुख, तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा था?
ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि वो मेरी पहली फिल्म थी और मैं उनको अपनी शूटिंग, जो मेरी पिक्चर की जो शूटिंग थी उसके पहले दिन पे मैं उनको मिली थी और सेट पे ही मिली थी. सो आई नेवर मेट हिम बिफोर एंड ऑब्वियसली आई न्यू हिम एज the superstar Shah Rukh Khan, and now I'm going to be doing a film with him and a romantic film at that. So I was very nervous. Obviously I was nervous, and मेरी पहली फिल्म थी और बहुत कुछ चल रहा था दिमाग में. And I met him and actually he was just very very nice and he congratulated me for doing the film. And उसके बाद he was just really chilled out and I felt very comfortable in his presence. He was not intimidating, which I think I realized much later what a huge support he had been in my first film, because he really did make everything very easy for me as a newcomer without making it obvious. Jataye bina he was making things easy for me, and I thought that was very very nice of him. Until date, whenever I've worked with actors who perhaps doing their first film, and even in an ad when you work with somebody, I always want to pay back and be as helpful as I possibly can because of the way Shah Rukh was to me. So I feel like I find the need to do that because I know what a huge help it was for me. And yeah, so it's always beautiful, and I'm always grateful whenever I'm working with him. And yeah, Imtiaz, would also tell you that even now, like even if he's had this knee issue and injury, and it'll be hurting. And if Imtiaz will say something, sir, मैं ये सोच रहा था, तो he'll just suddenly spring up and be like, हाँ हम ऐसे करते हैं. I think even I can't think of showing that kind of, that kind of enthusiasm the way he continues to do. So you have to respect somebody at that level, at that stature, to have that kind of commitment for every day, on shoot. It's commendable.
Before Imtiaz, you work with, Yash Chopra and Aditya Chopra in 2 different romantic films, and both of them have different ideas of romance. How was it to work under Imtiaz's setup of romance with Shah Rukh? How different was it? I mean,
yes, I have had the good fortune of working with Yash ji and having done a film with him and Adi, with Shah Rukh itself. So firstly, I'm very grateful for that opportunity. I think for me, what makes Imtiaz so special and his love stories and his characters so memorable is that, when you watch his films, you feel that you're watching his movies and then you see moments in the film, or you see how certain things are panning out, and you feel like, yaar, aisa hota hai. In love, these things happen, but ये कभी हमने फिल्मों में देखा नहीं होता है. But we see it fresh, new, something which is very relevant, which happens in a relationship, but we don't see that on screen, and we see that in Imtiaz's film. तो जो वो बारीकी से वो समझते हैं ना love को, this relationship between man and woman, I think which is something that is unparalleled, his understanding of it, and you can relate to it when you watch films, and that's why I think you feel so, मतलब दिल से you feel for his kahanis, at least I do. So I think that's what makes him special.
Hi Anushka. Hello. Hi Anushka, आपके सामने.
What will you give? Show me how much money you have. You will not be able to.
Anushka, आपके सामने.
Literally 20 रुपए. I'm not exaggerating. That also for auto, because because you.
I'll give you I'll write a check.
Thanks.
I'll write a check.
हाँ, okay. Thank you, sir.
Hi Anushka.
Blank देना.
अनुष्का, क्या कोई बॉलीवुड का ऐसा एक्टर है जिसकी हरकतें देख के आपको लगा हो कि कितनी चीप हरकतें हैं, जिनके साथ आपने काम किया हो या आपने मन में सोचा हो इन अ फनी वे?
मेरे ऐसे बहुत एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं. बॉलीवुड के कई सारे एक्टर्स मुझे बहुत चीप लगते हैं.
तो सर आप नाम बताना चाहेंगे?
जरूर. सबका नाम बताऊं? SMS करूं आपको बाद में? आप नंबर दे दो मुझे अपना.
अनुष्का, आपका आंसर?
नहीं यार, I was just joking because we can't take this question very seriously. You don't.
Imtiaz. Hi Imtiaz. To your right. Hi. So during Tamasha, you had said you don't know what love is, and people are now talking about your style of romance and love. So isn't it kind of ironical that most of your films have a very deeper sense of love, but you say that you don't know what love is?
Anushka के साथ रहते.
Why Shah Rukh smiling? Let's ask him that.
Sir, any particular reason for your smile?
Because I finally joined back. मैं काफी देर से cut off था, तो मुझे पता नहीं था आप दोनों क्या बातें करते हैं. So I came back with a smile.
So we were talking about various things, about who is cheap in this industry. Any hero who is cheap? Anushka was asked. No, she didn't take. She didn't take your name. Acha, I don't think he can hear us properly. Sir, can you hear us?
No, I can't hear. It's correct. Okay, disconnect.
Your style of romance, and you say you don't know what love is.
आपने कैफी आजमी का नाम सुना है?
Yes.
उन्होंने एक लिखा था बहुत पहले कि जो कही गई ना मुझसे वो जमाना कह रहा है कि फसाना बन गई है मेरी बात चलते चलते. तो अनुष्का के साथ रह के मैं भी थोड़ा फिलोसॉफिकल और पोइटिक होता जा रहा हूँ. बट मुझे अब भी मेरा जवाब वही होगा कि मुझे एक्चुअली नहीं पता है, ना मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, बट you don't know why you do the things that you do.
And the second question is about the title of the film. Many people have not liked the title of the film and
blame Ranbir Kapoor. हाँ, मैंने वो
We are going to start a website so that people can just blame Ranbir Kapoor for this. We will shortly publish that website ka address, and everybody can just come and put their complaints about the title, if at all.
He thinks he's very smart. He's not on social media, so no one can criticize him. We'll make a site for him, and you can complain. Okay?
So, your Gujarati accent is pretty amazing and bang on.
Thank you.
So, how did you prepare for it? What were your reference points?
Actually, I had a diction coach to teach me how to speak. So, Imtiaz sir had introduced me to a diction coach, Dimple, I know, Dimple, who, so basically phonetically how how it would sound, you just write it exactly like that, and then you learn the lines in that fashion. And after some time of, and Imtiaz used, like, we would sit and go through the scenes, working on the accent. Even Imtiaz's understanding of this diction is actually strangely good. I don't know how, but yeah, it is. And then we would just practice that. एक बार वो ज़हन में आ जाता है, so then when you normally also you're talking, you're able to bring that in. So yeah, it was just some effort on my and Dimple and Sir's behalf.
Recently, Shah Rukh said in an interview that while you were shooting Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, you paid him a compliment. You said that he's a very good human being, but you never said he's a very good actor. So now have you paid him that compliment finally?
9 साल हो गए इस बात को, अभी तक हम लोग क्यों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? 9 years it's been.
But I want to know.
Yeah, of course you would want to know. See, what I told him was, what I meant, since I'm so philosophical, what I meant was that being a good actor, being good at your job and all is like something that, you have, it's a given, na? I mean, he's Shah Rukh Khan. You can't say, who am I to comment on him and how he is as an actor, but I did tell him that the way he was with me throughout the film and how he made me feel so important and I didn't feel intimidated by him at all. And I did understand, of course, at that moment, in the time that I was shooting for the film, I was extremely grateful for it. But even, in the years that have gone by, I've come to appreciate that more and more, like I told you earlier. And that is what I meant by he's a good person. Because I think above all, I mean, of course, we all have to be very good at what we do, but it's also very important to be a good person above everything else. And that's my belief, a very strong belief. And I think that's what I complimented him for, because for me, that is most important as a person.
I want to ask कि ये मूवी जो है हैरी और सेजल की मुलाकात के ऊपर सॉरी
Are you also Guju?
No.
The Guju fever is catching on.
No. तो हैरी एंड सेजल की मुलाकात के ऊपर है, तो अनुष्का की लाइफ में कोई ऐसी मुलाकात जो यू रिमेंबर स्टिल, अनुष्का मेट समवन लाइक ऐसी कोई मुलाकात के बारे में?
मतलब बड़ा ओरिजिनल सा क्वेश्चन है आपका, वैसे तो मानना पड़ेगा, मतलब इट्स जस्ट केम आउट ऑफ नोवेयर एंड सो ओरिजिनल. ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन आई मेट इम्तियाज, it was a great moment when I met Imtiaz, and I felt so good when Alok impersonated Mohit Chauhan. Such amazing meetings we keep having with people all around. Yeah, I've had many moments. Imtiaz, when I met Imtiaz, he was just there. Yeah, it was actually. Yeah, so when I met, such meetings वो आपके दिमाग में रहते हैं, आप बोल नहीं पाते, आप ज़हन नहीं कर सकते, जैसे उन्होंने अभी बोला ना.
She was like mute.
I was like, Imtiaz, just shocked, Yeah.
Alright, so the film is already being appreciated. All the mini trails, song, people are loving the film already. The film has had wonderful response. So apart from all the excitement, do you feel that there is perhaps a little amount of pressure to meet the audience expectations?
Are you asking me?
Yes, sir.
Actually, luckily for me, I'm a director, and a director always has work to do. So there's
as opposed to what an actor is doing. Where is my co-actor? He's not there.
Yeah, as opposed to actors who start becoming ghosts in other films. But since there is always work to be done, there's no time to be nervous really. You're editing, you're doing sound, lots of things, technical things which people don't know about has to be done. So there's no time to really get pressured, or you just have to do as well as you can.
And what about you, Anushka? For the same thing, what about you?
आई थिंक एक्सपेक्टेशंस लोगों की होती हैं और हमारी भी खुद से होती हैं, बट आई थिंक there's no need to get caught up in that. You can only do what you have to do well, and I think for me, I expect the most out of myself when I actually can do something about it, which is when I have to choose a script, I have to prep for a role, I have to perform, I have to execute that preparation, and you know, shooting के समय पे उतना मेरे हाथ में होता है. Other than that, you know, you can't kind of really get too caught up or worked up about things because it's not under your control. So that's the, you know, feeling that I have, and I think we've all worked really hard on this film, and I'm very happy with the film. So now you just like leave it out there and, you know, wait for people to you know, react to it and think, you know, and come up with things they like about the film.
मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी थी गानों को लॉन्च करने की, या अहमदाबाद जाना, या फिर गाइड वाला, तो ये किसने ये सब कुछ शुरुआत की थी और कैसे?
ये क्या कोई फनी सवाल आपने किया?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं,
बहुत लोग हंसे इस पर. अच्छा,
मनोज ने खुद को स्क्रीन में देखा,
खुद पे जब, अच्छा तो
स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में जरा बताएंगे?
हाँ, स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में क्या पूछा? बहुत स्पेसिफिकली
गानों को रिलीज जैसे किया गया अलग अलग शहरों में, या बहुत सारे
आइडिया था,
किसका आइडिया जैसे मुलाकात हुई गुजरात में?
जी. सो ये मिली भगत है. यहाँ पे मार्केटिंग टीम के बहुत सारे लोग हैं, रेड चिलीज मार्केटिंग टीम के, और फिर जो भी टीम में है वो लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं. आइडियाज़ कहीं से भी किसी भी तरफ से आ सकते हैं, बट अक्सर शाहरुख सर खुद आइडियाज़ लाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड और एंथुजियास्टिक होते हैं. और किस तरह से कोई इवेंट है, जैसे ये इवेंट भी है, तो उसके पीछे द कॉन्सेप्चुलाइजेशन इज़ ऑफन हिज. समटाइम्स इट कम्स फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेज. जैसे कि वो गुजरात में सेजल से मिलने का आइडिया मेरे ख्याल से प्रभात का था, जो स्पाइस प्रभात. ये आइडिया कि इस तरह से इंगेजमेंट होगा, ये शाहरुख सर का आइडिया था आज के दिन के लिए.
So your characters in your films are generally very layered and complex and very detailed. So when you direct someone like Shah Rukh Khan, who has an immense fan following and people already have a certain set of expectation, how different was it to characterize his role, and was it a pressure that you have to meet a certain expectations of his fan following?
Because of Shah Rukh himself, there was no pressure like that. Working with him was like working with any actor. And of course, sometimes during the shoot, when there was too much crowd trying to break in to see Shah Rukh Khan and all that, you realize that he's a very big star. But otherwise, the way he carries himself, the way he participates and the way he is, you don't get the feeling while working with him that he's a very big star. It was very easy also because he's a theatre actor, and more so because I'm from theatre and we both are in a way from Delhi theatre. It was very easy to communicate, and I was very happily surprised. So it was very easy to work with him. I was very happily surprised to know that he's a very basic theatre actor, for whom script is important, co-actor is important. I think Shah Rukh Khan is the single most giving actor that I've ever worked with. Actually, he's very giving towards his co-actors and towards everybody in the process.
इमदाद सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि शाहरुख की अगर हम बात करते हैं, वीर ज़ारा और रबने बनादी जोड़ी, कहीं पंजाबी किरदार उन्होंने निभाए, और अगर मैं हैरी की बात करूँ, इस किरदार की बात करूँ, तो क्या ख़ास आपने अलग रखा है कि वो चीज़ नज़र ना आए, या उनका लहजा हो या उनका किरदार हो? क्या ऐसा what is the brief to the Shah Rukh, and what you have kept in mind while working on that character?
I think when I was working on this character, I was not briefing him in reference to all the other work that he's done. I was not going there at all. I was just talking to him about this character. इसकी ख़ास बात कुछ है कि ये बाहर विदेश में रहते हैं और उसकी वजह से उनका तलफ़ुज़, उनका हाव भाव अलग है. So I was just talking to him about Harry and Harinder Singh Nehra and उसका क्या बचपन में हुआ होगा, etc. to create back stories, and that helped. I never referred to the other characters that he's played.
Cocktail to जब वी मेट, जितनी भी फिल्में आपने की हैं, एक अलग तरह की फिल्में करते हैं, खास करके लव स्टोरीज को रखे, चाहे वो तमाशा हो, चाहे वो हाईवे हो. क्या इम्तियाज़ आप मानते हैं ये पहली आपकी, आई होप यू टेक इट ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट, क्योंकि मैं उसी नोट पे कहना चाह रहा हूँ आपको, दिस इज़ योर वेरी फर्स्ट कमर्शियल मसाला हिंदी फिल्म?
ये तो पता चलेगा बाद में ना सर.
डू यू एग्री विद दिस?
I know I've not written it like that. You know, like I've made Jab We Met before, or Socha Na Tha, or Tamasha. For me, all of them are the same. They obviously become very different ultimately for the audience. So yeah, but this film is not in the same way as let's say Tamasha. It's different from that. Yeah.
तो अभी जैसा आपने बताया कि आप झारखंड से हैं, लेकिन आपका जो सफ़र है वो कहीं ना कहीं पंजाब या देश के जितने भी अलग अलग शहर है वहाँ पर जाकर ख़त्म होता है. भाई भतीजेवाद की बात की है आपने. क्या आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल है, आप दोनों आउटसाइडर्स हैं इंडस्ट्री के लिए, नेपोटिज्म जो शब्द है वो कहीं ना कहीं आप लोगों को लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री में है, या फिर आप लोगों ने इसको कभी ना कभी फेस किया है? क्या आप लोगों को लगता है, आप दोनों के ओपिनियन क्या है इस पर?
ये कि हम दोनों, बल्कि हम तीनों यहाँ पर हैं, हम तीनों बाहर से हैं, तो अगर हमारे खिलाफ कोई भाई भतीजावाद या नेपोटिज्म हुआ होता तो फिर हम होते ही नहीं ना. मैं अपने बारे में ये बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस से कह सकता हूँ कि अगर मैं यहाँ पर हूँ तो इट इज़ ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द लव एंड अफेक्शन ऑफ द एग्जिस्टिंग फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एट दैट टाइम, दैट दे लिसन टू मी. इट्स परहैप्स द ओनली प्लेस दैट आई ट्रूली बिलोंग. सो आई डोंट सी इट. आई डोंट नो अबाउट अनुष्का.
अनुष्का, आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे.
Like what he said, if we are here today, it's because we are here today and we've reached where we are being within the same industry. I have personally, I would say, been launched by a banner like Yash Raj Films, who have always, and with me, with Ranveer Singh, they've always put talent before anything else. I don't even think this was something that I even thought of, quite honestly speaking, when I entered the industry. But at the same time, I think सबके experiences अलग होते हैं, and we all have to respect and value that. Yeah, that's it. Same industry में different people can be treated differently, and that has to be respected and valued.
ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़रूरी है, इम्पॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि आप लोग बात से क्या एक आउटसाइडर जो होता है वो फिल्म यहाँ पर आने के बाद इतनी मेहनत करके, जैसे आप लोग हैं आज इस मुकाम तक पहुँचे हैं, उसके बाद इंडस्ट्री के जो लोग होते हैं वो बुली करते हैं. इज दैट राइट? लाइक आप लोगों से जाना चाहिए.
यू आर सेइंग, यू आर आस्किंग वेदर इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग.
आईफा के मंच पे हाँ जो हुआ.
लिसन, मैं सुन लिया आपकी बात. आप इस तरह से पूछ रही हैं जैसे कि ऐसा होता ही है ना. ये आपका अजम्पशन है ना मैम.
आई एम जनरली आस्किंग यू.
आई एम टेलिंग यू.
मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि ये ऐसा होता है. ऐसा होता, अगर
ऐसा होता तो सही होता या गलत होता? तो ऑब्वियसली गलत होता, राइट?
Hi Anushka, now that we're at Sejal's engagement, when will we come to know who your fiance is in the movie?
Actually, a film thriller hai. that is what the suspense of the film is going to be. So for that, you'll have to watch the film to find out who my fiance is.
Anushka, in the film you're hunting.
Okay, guys.
One question
in
for
the
you,
film,
sir.
Anushka.
Imtiaz sir, your movie
Anushka.
got UA certificate from the censor board.
I'm really sorry, ma'am. Did I say something nasty to you? I'm really sorry.
Imtiaz sir.
I'm really sorry.
Sir, here.
Are we going to carry on? No, we have got a UA certificate, as you were saying, in the film. And they did not ask for any of such deletion from the film. There were some audio changes. There was no visual cut. There was no video cut. There were some audio, very minor things. So it's all okay, and we are very happy with the certification.
In the film, you are desperately.
Sir, can you hear us?
Yeah, can you on behalf of you apologize to everyone? Sorry, this connection हमारा कुछ खराब हो गया.
एक सेकेंड सर, I'll ask if somebody wants to ask you a question and get the answer like this. Anybody wants to ask him something? Last chance. Yes. Sir, we are asking somebody is asking a question. I'll repeat it for you. Oh, he's back. Oh, great. Okay. वीर के 5,000 के चेक का क्या स्टेटस है?
मैंने उनको वो चेक दे दिया है।
Obviously, guys, Gujarati was involved. We keep our dealings very, very clear.
अनुष्का, in the movie you are desperately hunting for your ring, but real life में कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपकी खो गई हो and you were like searching for it for a long
Listen,
time.
I'm sorry to cut this. We can
I
come
feel like
back
my mummy
to
is
it.
asking me this question.
The point is that while Shahrukh sir is here, I think before he goes away, please ask questions that you want.
Guys, for both of them, for both of them.
No, they don't need to ask. Yeah, you guys have fun. I can just listen.
Okay, I think we are going to wrap up, but before we wrap up, Shahrukh sir is going to speak few words to us. Okay. Shahrukh sir, you're on mic.
Yes.
So we have connected 3 mics so that the whole of Mumbai city can hear your voice. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. थोड़ा सा हमारा ये technical glitch हो गया. So I really wanted to participate, but I've been listening to everything. Of course, you could not hear me out. I could hear it on various other channels. But thank you for being here. और ये सवाल आपने पूछे उसका जवाब hopefully सेजल और इम्तियाज ने अच्छी तरह दे दिया होगा. But as soon as I'm back, मैं फिर आप लोगों से मुखातिब होऊंगा. And I hope you enjoyed the trailer and thank you very much all of you for being here.
Okay, sir. We heard that.
मनोज सिंह सोलो फोटो दे दो.
करके भेज रहा हूँ. मैं सबके लिए अलग-अलग पोस्ट में सेल्फीज करके भेज रहा हूँ प्रेस के लिए और एक नहाती हुई सेल्फी भी भेज रहा हूँ.
Okay, good.
And that's a wrap.
Thank you,
And
sir.
before we say goodbye, Shahrukh sir, we would like if you wave at us over here down in Mumbai. Khan, and that is a wrap. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you guys have a great evening. Drive safe. Thank you so much. My name is RJ Syed, and it is a wrap.